Hello, Ivan, old school automotive. Well, putting this motor back together, got the oil pan. I did not torque it down completely. I kind of snagged it. I let it sit a little bit. I'm gonna torque it down completely now. Well, got lots of parts. Gasket for the oil cooler, oil level sensor. Yeah, that's the gasket for it. All these things. All these items, you cannot get a gaskets for them. It's only sold together, like even thermostat. You can only buy a thermostat assembly. You cannot buy a gasket. But since it's a budget build, I guess I'm gonna replace what I have, and what I don't have, I will have to seal it. Alright, the oil pan. When you tightening down the oil pan, you need to be checking if it's sitting right flush with the rear cover on both sides. Yeah. Like that. You have to play with it because it doesn't have any dowel guides on the pan, so you do need to, when you torque it down, you do need to move it left, right, back and forth, and until you get it like that, because other way, if it sticks out this way or that way, that's not gonna be fun when everything is torqued down and dry. All right, thank you.